How to disable notifications on Snapchat. So I will show you two ways on how to do this. The first method is if you want to disable a specific notification from Snapchat. So now go ahead and launch the Snapchat application. Then tap your profile icon, which is found on the upper left corner. Then tap the gear icon, which you can see on the upper right corner. And then from here, select the notifications option. So here you will find all of the notifications that you can receive from Snapchat. So say for example, you don't want to receive notifications from stories of your friends, then just tap the box beside stories from friends. This way you won't be receiving any notification from your friends' stories. So you may also scroll down to find more options. So the other method is to generally block all notifications from Snapchat. So to do this, just go to your settings application, scroll down until you find apps, and then use the search icon to search for Snapchat. And then tap permissions and make sure that the notifications feature is disabled. So just tap the toggle button beside allow notifications. And that is how you generally block all notifications coming from Snapchat. So those are the ways on how to disable notifications on Snapchat. Thank you and have a great day.